SCA Currents. The Earth's oceans are an important part of the Earth's climate system. Warm and cold ocean currents help drive the world's weather and climate. Surface currents are caused by winds and global weather patterns, while deep currents are caused by temperature and density differences. Generally, the cool surface currents move from the polar regions toward the equatorial regions, while warm surface currents move in the opposite direction. Deep currents are caused by density and temperature differences in the ocean. This deep ocean circulation is also called thermohaline circulation. Use the information above to answer questions 1 through 3. Number 1. Which claim is correct? Cool surface currents move water A. from southern hemisphere to the northern hemisphere, B. from the polar regions toward the equator, C. from the equator to the poles, D. from the east to the west. Question 2. What evidence from the information above supports this claim? A. Deep currents are caused by density and temperature differences in the ocean. B. Global winds cause deep currents. C. Condensation is a result of surface currents. D. Water near the poles is cold while water near the equator is warm. Question 3. What scientific reasoning supports your evidence? A. Surface currents bring cold water from the poles that is heated at the equator. B. Differing atmospheric pressure zones cause water to sink and rise. C. The jet stream originates in the polar regions. D. Polar bears like cold water. Part 2, Literacy. Read the text and answer the questions. Ocean currents. Most of the Earth's surface, 70%, is covered by oceans. These oceans are very important to all life on the planet. The oceans not only contain water, but also influence many parts of the Earth's climate system. Within the oceans, large and small ocean currents transport water and nutrients to all parts of the globe. Ocean currents are continuous, directed movement of seawater from one part of the ocean to another. These currents are generated several ways. Atmospheric winds, the Earth's Coriolis effect, tides, as well as seawater density all contribute to the formation and flow of ocean currents. Ocean currents can flow great distances and create what oceanographers call global conveyor belts of seawater. These conveyor belts play an important role in determining climate around the Earth. 4. Which of the following does not contribute to the formation and flow of ocean currents? A. Coriolis effect. B. Tides. C. Distance. D. Seawater density. 5. Why do oceanographers call ocean currents global conveyor belts? A. Because they are continuously moving. B. Because they are controlled by temperature. C. Because they influence many parts of the Earth's climate system. D. Because they are influenced by the sun. Part 3, Vocabulary. Match each term to the correct definition. Number 6, salinity. 7, density. 8, deep current. 9, surface current. 10, global winds. Answer A, a property of matter that tells the degree of compactness of a substance, the amount of space matter takes up relative to mass. B, current caused by wind and global weather patterns. C, movement of air in the atmosphere caused by the spin of the Earth and differences in air temperature. D, the concentration of salt found in ocean water. E, current caused by density and temperature difference in the ocean.